Please write down. Question. Factors and multiples, section 4. I think few important key points are pending. I will discuss that important key points after this doubt. Question. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. X comma y are natural numbers. How many values x, y can take? X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? This is the question. So, method 1. What is the concept that we discussed? Concept is x square minus y square equivalent to k. If x and y are natural numbers, this equation has integral solutions. These equations has integral solutions. Praveen, keep this phone for charging. These integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. This is the first method which we discussed. K is a multiple of 4. If x square minus y square equivalent to k, this equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Right? So, based upon this concept, we got the answer 0. We got the answer 0. Now, method 2. Can I use any other method? Yes, you can use some other method. Method 2. Please write down a note. Write down a note. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Why it will not end with 2, 3, 7 or 8? You take the unit digit of any number. Unit digit of any number ranges from 0 to 9. 0 square 0. I'll write down the proof also here. In case if you are watching it for the first time. Unit digit of any number ranges from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 square 0. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. All the possible unit digits are from 0 to 9. 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Anywhere in the right hand side, I got 2 at the end? No. 3 at the end? No. 7 at the end? No. 8 at the end? No. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Please write down this, then we will apply this concept. If a number is a perfect square, it will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If a number is a perfect square, it will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8. How this concept can be used? How this concept can be used to solve the question? Praveen, Rambabu, pen. How this concept is used to solve this question? Write down method number 2. Method number 2. Method number 2. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X, y are natural numbers. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y can take? X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values it will take? See here how I am solving this question. X square minus y square is 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, I will play around with the unit digit of a logic. I will play around with the unit digit of a logic. Now see here. What is the unit digit in the right hand side? 4. If the right hand side unit digit is 4, can I say one way is 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. If it is 1, 10 carried. 11 minus 7 is 4. If it is 2, 10 carried. 12 minus 8 is 4. If it is 3, 10 carried. 13 minus 9 is 4. What are all these numbers? All these numbers are the possible unit digits. These are the possible unit digits of a number. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 11 minus, these 1 carry, sir. 10, 11 minus 7 is 4. These again a 1 carry. 12 minus 8 is 4. These again 1 carry. 13 minus 9 is 4. X square comma y square are perfect squares. X square comma y square are perfect squares. A perfect square cannot have unit digit 2. A perfect square cannot have unit digit 3 or 7. A perfect square cannot have unit digit 8. A perfect square cannot have unit digit 3, 7 or 8. Only 3 cases are remaining. Now if you observe, any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is 0. Why? Because 8 square is 64. 12 square is 144. 18 square is 324. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is even. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. 10 square 100, 20 square 400 and everything. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is always 2. 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place is even. 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 19 square 361, 21 square 441. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place is even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. All these remaining cases are eliminated. Why? Because a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now if you see the logic, even minus 0 is even. Even minus even is even. Even minus 2 is even. Tens place should be even. Tens place should be even. According to this perfect square logic, tens place should be even. But tens place given in the question is odd. Answer is no value for x comma y. Another beautiful way to solve the question using the unit digits logic. Using the unit digit logic, x square minus y square is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand side unit digit is 4. Right hand side unit digit is 4. Right hand side unit digit 4. When you subtract 0 from 4 in the first case, 1 from 5 in the second case, 2 from 6 in the second case, 3 from 7 in the third case, 4 from 8 and everything. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. All these cases are eliminated. The only case is first, second and third. A perfect square ends with even digit if the unit digit is 4, because 8 square 64, 12 square 144. Perfect square ends with even number of zeros. Even minus 0 even. A perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Ending with 1, tens place is even. Even minus even, even. Even minus even, even. Tens place should be even. But according to the question, tens place is odd. Therefore, answer is no value for x comma y. Anil Nayar's way of solving this question just based on a perfect square concept. Now write down another note. I hope it is clear. Now write down another note. What did we get? X square minus y square equivalent to k. X comma y are natural numbers. These are nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to k. If I take the cases, x is an even number, y is an even number. X is an odd number, y is an odd number. X is an even number, y is an odd number. X is an odd number, y is an even number. Even number plus even number, this is an even number. Even number minus even number, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Odd minus odd, even number. Even into even, it is divisible by 4. Even into even, it is divisible by 4. X is even, y is odd. Even on square is even. Odd on square is odd. Even minus odd is odd. Odd on square is odd. Even square is even. Odd minus even is odd. Right hand side I got divisible by 4 and an odd number. I do not need this. Suppose if I extend it, x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k. X, y are natural numbers. These is nothing but x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square equivalent to k. Here x and y are natural numbers. X is even, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. X is even, y is odd. And x is odd, y is even. Once you understand the root cause of the problem, these are all very easy questions. Even minus even is even. Even plus even is even. Even square plus even square, it is even. Even into even, it is divisible by 8. This case. Odd minus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. Odd square plus odd square, even. Third case, if I take even power 4, even. Odd power 4, odd. Even minus odd is odd. Similarly, odd power 4, odd. Even power 4, even. Odd minus even is odd. That means, if x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k, it has integral solutions. It has integral solutions only if it is divisible by 8 and it is an odd number. And it is an odd number. Extremely important conclusion. If it is 2, I got 2 into 2, 4 are an odd number. If it is 4, I got 2 into 4, 8 and an odd number. If the power is 8, I will get 2 into 8 and an odd number. 2 into 8 and an odd number. Extremely important pattern based question. If it is 4, right hand side is divisible by 8, 2 into 4. If it is 2, it is 2 into 2, 4. Now we will write a conclusion. This is example 1 and it is example 2. Example 2. Like that, anything you can, anything power 2 power n, you can solve it. We will write down for that one. X power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k. Now we will write down x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. If the equation is like this, x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. These has integral solutions. These has integral, Rambabu. These has integral solutions. These has integral solutions. Integral solutions only if k is a multiple of 2 into 2 power n and k is an odd number. Please write down. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only when k is a odd number or k is a multiple of 2 into 2 power n. X power 4 is 2 square. 4 is again 2 square equivalent to k. This has integral solution when k is 2 into 2 square or k is an odd number or k is an odd number or k is an odd number. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. We will understand this idea based upon a question. X power, this is a very important repeated pattern, sir. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 2 into 2 power n. Example x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. xy are natural numbers. xy are natural numbers. How many values x will take? X power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? This will have integral solutions. This will have integral solutions when the right hand side is either an odd number or divisible by 8. Either an odd number or divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 678 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. 38. It is not equivalent to 0. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y. No value for x comma y. No value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea is clear. No value for x comma y exists. Beautiful question. X square minus y square we did it. Then we did x power 4 minus y power 4. Right hand side last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Should be divisible by 8. Now please make a note. Another important key point. Another important key point. What is this key point? I should have said it when I dictated that question to you. Question is x square minus y square equivalent to 65 whole square. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? This question is similar to. This question is similar to. How many right-angled triangles exist? How many right-angled triangles exist? Please write down the question. How many right-angled triangles exist? How many right-angled triangles exist? Such that 65 is a side. 65 is a side. Side not equivalent to hypotenuse. Side not equivalent to hypotenuse and has integral sides. And has integral sides. Both the question meaning is similar. Both the question meaning is similar. X square minus y square equivalent to 65 square. xy are natural numbers. So these is nothing but, if I take 65 as one of this side, according to Pythagoras theorem, let me call it as x, let me call it as y, to get the same equation. X square is nothing but 65 whole square plus y whole square. These are nothing but x square minus y square equivalent to 65 whole square. Both the questions are quite similar to each other. X square minus y square equivalent to 65 square. How many right-angled triangles exist with integral side and 65 has one of their side? 65 has one of their 65 as one of their side not equivalent to hypotenuse. I hope this key point is clear. So the way that you are solving this question is similar. Both are semantically correct. Meaning is the same. Meaning is the same. I hope you got the idea. Now one student might ask me, Anil sir, what if instead of minus if there is a plus? Please write down. Another note, I hope it is clear. Both are, one is a geometric representation, another is an algebraic representation. Question, x square plus y square equivalent to 1239. X square plus y square equivalent to 1239. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? X square plus y square equivalent to 1239. Xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? Solution. Same. If x and y are natural number, x can be even, y can be even. X can be even, y can be odd. X can be odd, y can be even. Last case, x can be odd, y can be odd. These are the four cases. X is even, y is even. X is even, y is odd. X is odd, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. If x and y are even numbers, even number is nothing but of the form 2k1. 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 whole square. 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 whole square. 2k1 whole square, it is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. If one is even, another is odd. One is even number is 2k1 whole square. Another is an odd number 2k2 plus 1 whole square. If you observe, 2k1 whole square is 4k1 square. This is nothing but 4k2 square plus 4k2 plus 1. This is nothing but divisible by 4. This is nothing but divisible by 4. This is nothing but divisible by 4. What is the remainder that you got? 1. What is this case? This is the case where one is an even number, other is an odd number. This is a case where one is even and another is odd. X is odd, y is odd. 2k1 plus 1 whole square. 2k2 plus 1 whole square. 2k1 whole square. 4k1 whole square. It is divisible by 4. 2 into 2k1 divisible by 4. 4k2 square divisible by 4. 2 into 2k1 divisible by 4. 2 into 2k2 divisible by 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. It gives a remainder 2. It gives a remainder 2. We should be back in another few seconds. We should be back in another few seconds. Right, we are back. 1, 2, 3, 9. This is the question. X square plus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 9. Xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? This is the question. What is the conclusion that we have drawn? The conclusion is x square plus y square equivalent to k. X square plus y square equivalent to k. K is either divisible by p, or it gives a remainder 1, or it gives a remainder 2. What is this case? This case is when x is an odd number and y is an odd number. X is an odd number, y is an odd number. What is this case? When x is an even number and y is an even number. What is 4p plus 1 case? When x is even, y is odd, or when x is odd, y is even. Y is even. X square plus y square equivalent to k. It has integral solutions. It has integral solutions only if right hand side is either divisible by 4 or gives a remainder 1 or 2. Now once you understand this one, this question is a pretty simple cakewalk for you. X square plus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 9. Last two digits of is should be divisible by 4. 39 is 4 into 9 plus 3. 4k plus 3 form does not arise. So answer for this question is no integral solution. No integral solution. X square plus y square equivalent to k, it has integral solutions only if the right hand side is divisible by 4, or it gives a remainder 1, or it gives a remainder 2. 4p plus 1, 4p plus 2. 4p plus 3 cannot arise. 4p plus 3 cannot arise. I hope it is clear. 4p plus 3 form cannot arise. What if it is 4p plus 1, 4p plus 2? I took a number which is of the form 4 into k plus 3. Let me take another number. Two examples which we will solve. X square plus y square equivalent to 100. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. Very easy solution it is if you know it. Unit digit of x square and y square. If it is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. Am I right? 3 plus 9 is 2. 4 plus 8 is 2. 5 plus 7 is 2. 6 plus 6 is 2. 7 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 9 plus 3 and everything. 1 plus 1 is 2. These are all the unit digits of the left hand side and the right hand side. 2 plus 0, all the digits we got. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9, all the cases we got. So unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Now see here. A perfect square cannot end with 2. Perfect square cannot end with 3. Cannot end with 7 or 8. 7 or 8. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens digit is odd. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens digit is odd. 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. 14 square is 196. 16 square is 256. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens digit is even. Tens digit is even. Tens digit is even. Now if you see this logic, this is out, not possible. Why? Because 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, 1 carried. Odd plus odd is even. Even plus 1 odd. But I want this is 8. It is not possible. Next it is, if it is 1, what is the case that is possible? For it to become 8, this can be 0, this can be 8. Am I right? 0, 1 plus 81. So answer is x can be plus or minus 1, y can be plus or minus 9. Or x can be plus or minus 9, y can be plus or minus 1. Remaining cases are not possible. 21 plus 61. 21 plus 61, which is 82. 1 plus 1, 2 we got. This should be even, this should be even. 0, 1 plus 81. 21 plus 61. 41 plus 41. Only these are the case. Am I right? So I require 82. If I require 82, what is the smallest perfect square on square? I will get 21. 11 square is 121. Not possible. 21 square is 441. 21 square is 441. Not possible. Only case possible is x value is 1. Y value is 9, or x value is 9, y value is 1, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. Please ask a doubt if in case if it is not clear to you. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. Unit digit is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 9, 2. 4 plus 8, 2. 5 plus 7 2, 6 plus 6 2. A perfect square never ends with 2 3 7 or 8. 1 2 3 4, all the cases are eliminated. 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 1 carried. Odd plus odd is even, even plus 1 is odd number, it is out. Even 1, even 1. What are the cases? 0 1 plus 81, 21 plus 61, 41 plus 41. 21 61 not possible, 41 not possible. Only case possible is 0 1 and 81. I hope this logic is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. Right? Now this is an even number, Banu. This is an even number. This is an even number. If I keep 0, 0 1 plus something is 82. This something has to be. Because it is even number, I kept all the even digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 such that the sum is 82. Such that the sum is 82. Such that the sum is 82. How you got? How 1 and 8? Now if you see here, 1 plus 1 is 2. These tens place is 8. How do we get tens place plus from even to even? 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. X square plus y square equivalent to 82. All these cases are eliminated. All these cases are eliminated. I hope it is clear. Right. Or what you can do is x square plus y square equivalent to 82. For it to get the approximate value, keep the lowest value of x 0. Y square is nearer to 82. Y is 9, 81. X will be 1. But this will not work always. In this problem it is working. In this problem it is working. I hope I will take one more question so that it will be clear to you. I will take, Usha is asking me to repeat with one more. Balashiva, in this question, make x 0 is giving you answer, but you cannot say that that is the best method. You cannot say that that is the best method. One more question. One more question. Please write down. X square plus y square equivalent to 1544. X square plus y square equivalent to 1544. If xy are natural numbers, how many values? Natural numbers I am taking. Previous, if it is a natural number, -1, -9 will not come into picture. I took it as integral solution. Please make a note. Another question for you. Usha, Kavita, I am repeating it. X square plus y square equivalent to 1544. X square, Rambabu. X square plus y square is 1544. Xy are natural numbers. Listen carefully. This is x square. This is y square plus it is nothing but 1544. It is 1544. It is unit digit 4. It is unit digit 4. 0 plus 4, 4. These are all the unit digits. These are all the unit digits. 0 plus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 9, 4. 6 plus 8, 4. 7 plus 7, 4. 7 plus 4. I hope this logic is clear. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 9, 14, 4. 6 plus 8, 14, 4. 7 plus 7, 14, 4. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. All these cases are out. All these cases are out. Only two cases are remaining, 0 plus 4 and 5 plus 9. 0 plus 4 and 5 plus 9. 0 plus 4 and 5 plus 9. Till here it is clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat, till here clear? Till here, Usha and Kavita, for you I developed another question. Is it clear to you? Till here, is it clear? 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 9, 4. 6 plus 8, 4. I hope it is clear. So 1 plus 3 out, 2 plus 2 out, 6 plus 8 out, 7 plus 7 out. 5 plus 9, any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Reverse also 4 plus 0, that we will interchange at the end. This is 2. This is even. Any perfect square ending with 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 carried. Even plus 1 even. Even plus 1 odd. I am getting tens place, odd number. Again I am explaining. 25 plus even 9. 14. Even plus even. Even plus 1 odd. But I want according to the question, tens place even. So the only case which is possible is 0 and 4. Let us see, are there any values based upon this one? These kind of solutions you will not get it in any regular textbook. Please listen carefully. 0 and 4. 0 and 4. X square plus y square equivalent to 1544. This is 0, this is 4. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros, so it has to be 4. What is the smallest number on square? I will get these 44 at the end. 12 square, already we discussed. X square, 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square has the same last two digits. Has same last two digits. X square, 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square has same last two digits. 12 square is 144. 38 square is 1444. So this is 1444 and x value is 10. Or this could be 1444, x value, y value is 100. X can be 38, y can be 10. Or x can be 10, y can be 38. Analyze this question little later. Analyze this question little later. In last two digits I discussed this logic. X square, 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square has the same last two digits. X square, 50 minus x whole square and 50 plus x whole square has the same last two digits. Has same last two digits. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. If it is 1544, this has to be 4. 44 means 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, 38 square 1444. 1444, so this will be 10 square 100. Two values, x 38, y 10 or x 10, y 38. X 10, y 38. I hope this logic is clear to you.